This is the Groove Dads Podcast.
Cheers! Nice to see you again.
Alright!
Yeah.
Welcome to episode... Ooh! Abala ka. Oo, hindi pala ako inom. Huli ako ni Prince.
Daya ka. Joke.
Episode 2 of Groove Dads.
That's right.
Alright. Uy! Guys, parang yun din damit nyo from episode 1.
That's right.
Galing!
diba?
Okay.
Hindi kasi bumalik din ako agad. Uwi lang ako sa balik.
Okay, sige. Ang kakalokohan tayo dito.
And bago tayo
This
sponsors,
episode is brought to you by Brewing Point's Home Goods Fish Crackers and
salted eggs chip.
that's right. There you go.
Uy, di natin naubos from episode 1. Damn.
Maker's Mark
Maker's Mark, don't forget.
Bourbon Miss Whiskey. The Bourbon Whiskey.
So, for collaborations, email is in the description. So, tapos na tayo sa pag-update ng ating mga buhay-buhay. So ngayon, let's, in a way, still connected to dance. Kasi, one of, I think, the main factors nung pag-alis natin sa Groove Jacks, or yung buhay na yun, based sa mga kwento nyo nung episode 1 was financial. Diba? Like, diba? Stability, supporting the family. So, may naisip kasi akong question. With everything that we've experienced, with everything na pinagdaanan na natin, ang question ko sa inyo ay, if kinikita nyo ngayon, back then, when we were still in Groove Jacks, with the things that you know now, okay? So, for me, important yung aspect na yun. Kasi kung yung question is just, kung kinikita nyo yung kinikita nyo dati, noon, the main question is, alis ba tayo ng Groove Jacks? I think no-brainer yun na if kinikita natin yung kinikita natin ngayon, noon, wala nga alis atin. But, merong caveat yun. Merong additional aspect, which is, knowing what you know now, which nakuha nyo yun lahat kasi umalis tayo ng Groove Jacks. Diba? And with the income nyo ngayon, kikitain nyo yun before 2013. Alis pa rin ba kayo ng yung life natin na yun?
And that's the end of our episode.
Ayaw mag-isip!
Okay, go.
Okay. I mean, whoever wants to start.
Why don't you start?
Back to you! Okay lang sa'yo. Kasi napag-isipan ko na to dahil ako yung nag-isip ng question.
Yeah, exactly.
Bigyan mo kami ng benchmark.
Okay. Sige. Ako, for me, yes, alis pa rin ako ng Groove Jacks. And, kasi yung malaking factor yung what you know now. Kasi dati, di ba, as we've shared no episode 1, grabe yung si Punks. Grabe yung, hindi, ito yung buhay ko, ito yung alam ko eh. Tapos maghahanap ako ng something na possibly hindi na sayaw. Kasi nga, nahirapan tayong kumita. Pero if I'm earning, kung ano yung kinikita ko ngayon noon, and knowing ano yung mga magagawa ko pa, I would still leave. Dahil nga dun sa aspect na yun. Na ang dami kong natutunang gawin na hindi ko na-realize na kaya ko pala gawin lahat nun. Kasi, box tayo sa sayaw.
May ceiling ka sa sayaw.
Oh, and then parang feeling ko at that time, yung meron na akong sinet na stereotype for myself, na dancer ako eh. 'Di ba? If magiging successful ako dito, so paano ba? Paano ba ako kikita ng malaki through dance? Wherein, hindi ko alam na, yun din, na parang shinare ko din ng episode 1 na, or shinare ko ba? Hindi ko alam na, yung pumasok sa cut yun na after 2016, when I stopped teaching sa Brewing Point, hindi ko na hinanap yung sayaw.
Nasabi.
Yeah.
So parang, in a way, parang when I stepped out of dancing, nahanap ko na ang dami ko palang pwedeng maging other passions in life. Hindi lang sayaw. Pero dati kasi, nakabox tayo sa mundo na yun eh. Plus, kumikita ka pa. So, ito na yun. When I went out, totoo mag-Facebook ads. So, content creation, tayo. Ano alam natin sa technical aspects ng video
Yeah.
noon. 'Di ba? Pag-ilaw, audio, naging audio editor ako. Yung mga ganong klase na parang, although interest ako in a bit before, pero nag-deep dive when I stepped out of that world. So, yun lang naman yung benchmark. and I think parang, yun din talaga, yung parang, yung mundo itself na, alam mo yung parang feeling ko kung nandun pa tayo sa Groove Jacks, baka yung mentality ko rin now with kids na, kailangan maging dancer din kayo. Or ito yung, dapat ito yung avenue niya ng exercise, ito yung ano. Pero dahil alam mong, na-expose na ako sa, dami mong pwedeng ma-discover.
Sa yung potential mo na rin.
Oo, so kahit sila, hindi mo pwede i-box yung kids, gano'n. Bow. Next. And I thank you.
Oh, wow. Cheers.
There we go. Ako. Ako, parang nag-mine, no? Ako, mine. Mine. But hindi, sa akin, kasi parang ang daming factor parang ang dami kong na-imagine kung ganun yung price. Kasi kunyari na natutunan mo niya yung mga ganun. Parang, kasi kahit sa Hong Kong, ginagawa ko, parang kunyari, kumikita ako ng sapat. Let's say, sabihin natin sapat. By teaching, Pero like let's say, ginagawa ko na itong content creation na sabihin natin hindi pa naman ako successful. Pero kumbaga, hopefully, of course.
So subscribe,
subscribe.
watch the ads.
Yes. Yun yan. So yun, kumbaga parang yung knowledge na natutunan mo doon, parang alam mo yun, na-apply mo siya dun sa sayaw. So parang pwede ko pa rin ituloy pa rin. Let's say Groove Jacks. Kasi parang kunyari, nandito tayo sa Pilipinas. Kasi hindi ako umalis ng bansa. Pero tapos kumakita tayo ng ganun kalaki. Kung kinikita ko sa Hong Kong. Tapos sa Pilipinas, ganun. Parang parang on the side, parang pwede kong gawin yung mga natutunan ko na pag content creation na kahit na nagsasayaw pa rin ako, which is parang hanggang ngayon, parang na-miss ko pa rin dahil yung katawan ko nga mas active mas gumagalaw. So parang iba yung feeling na na tuloy-tuloy pa rin sayaw. And then yun nga, like siguro lang, like kasi baka kung kunyari Groove Jacks, baka wala na ako sa Gold Gym, let's say in other company na. So sa UP, let's say sabihin natin wala na ako sa UP, pero may group pa rin ako ina-handle, which is sa Hong Kong, para ang hirap mag-handle ng group. Parang dito, parang mas madali. Kasi doon ang hirap sobrang hirap. Kahit sabi mong, okay, maraming gustong matutong sumayaw or maraming gustong magkaroon ng group. Pero parang ang hirap i-handle talaga sa totoong buhay. Pero dito parang ang dali Tapos kumikita ka sa Groove Jacks ng ganun. So parang, okay, pwede pa magstay. Kasi parang na-enjoy mo pa mag-perform And then, yung pag-YouTube, let's say, pag gumagawa ko YouTube, let's say, collection, let's say, ganun kinikita ko. So, nakakabili pa rin ako ng parang hindi ko Oo, let's say, ng collection ko, na parang hindi ko na kailangang mag-isip masyado ng marami sa YouTube dahil hindi ko kailangang mag-worry masyado sa YouTube ko dahil kumikita naman ako ng tama doon sa Groove Jacks. So, parang, ang dami pa ring factor na parang, okay, sige, mag-stay ako sa Groove Jacks. Pero dahil nakakapag-perform ako, dahil yun yung passion mo talaga na parang yun yung katawan mo. So parang at least, nagagawa ko pa rin yung YouTube on the side. Pero yung kunyari, parang kailangan na, let's say, parang kailangan ko mag-focus talaga doon sa YouTube or let's say content creation or let's say sa, kahit ano man, let's say, filming or ano man, kung kunyari outside dancing, parang kunyari mas mag-explore ako dahil exploring nga yung ako, mas explorer ako mas gusto ko maraming ginagawa. Baka may possible din na parang umalis din ako sa Groove Jacks na parang kasi explore nga like let's say andito yung Groove Jacks pero yung exploration ko parang ang gusto ko talaga sa Japan. Iba talaga yung doon feeling. Kahit na sabihin ko, sige, maghahanap akong trabaho dun, pero dahil yung utak ko naka-goal sa parang explore, na experience, ganon. So talagang may possible talaga na aalis talaga ako sa Groove Jacks. Alam mo yun? Pero, in a way, parang baka in the future, baka bumalik ka doon. Pero, well, matanda na tayo doon.
Ngayon na yun eh.
Yun yun. Pero possible kasi like, parang na-imagine ko dahil, yun nga, isa pa yun sa mga experience ko na okay. Imagine mo, nagtuturo ko ng 50 plus and 60 plus. Yung ganong age, parang nakakapag-compete pa sila, nakakapag-perform like in a simple, event. So parang okay, yung age natin na ganito, na 44, 50, pwede pa tayo eh. I mean, yun, pwede pa eh. Yun yung if magkakaroon tayo ng chance na
No.
I know. Pero may chance pa na mag-perform
If hindi tayo tumigil.
Oo, hindi tayo tumigil. Pero let's say yun nga, siguro nga dahil may mga yun nga, feeling ko destiny. Destiny talaga na kunyari may mga talaga eh, may mga kagrupo ko ng bata ako na magagaling sila eh, parang I believe na nakikita ko na magagaling to. Oo, believe. Parang yung trust, yung believe ko sa kanila na ang gagaling nito, parang malayo mararating nito, parang ganon. Parang kunyari,
Pero
nakikita
mas
ko.
malayo na rating mo.
Oo, maubang.
Hindi. Support yung point na...
Gano'n, parang ang gagaling ito, pero parang
Hindi mo rin masabi.
ako yung nagtuloy.
Oo.
Pero, nag-stuck sila doon sa ganong lifestyle. Pero, alam mo yun, depende pa rin sa tao kung alam mo yung, I mean, like, not sa tao eh. Actually, destiny eh.
Situation,
Yun talaga yun, oo.
circumstance.
Yes, yun lang talaga eh. Parang kahit anong pilit mo na, like say, ako, kunyari, kahit anong, let's say, itong ginagawa ko, YouTube, as a YouTuber, content creator, pinipilit ko talaga siya. Talagang sobrang passion ko na paggawa, yung hustle, pero parang yung katawan ko bumabalik talaga, okay, kailangan mo talaga magturo pa rin. Parang you dance, as a dance teacher, yung pag-share, yung lumilipat yung mindset mo na magturo ka talaga ng ng sayaw, lumilipat eh, yung ganun. Pero yung utak mo, yung katawan mo, body mo, parang gusto ko talaga to eh, may experience to, gusto kong tapusin to eh. Gusto kong, not successful, pero gusto kong ma-achieve, parang ganun. Hindi successful eh, parang ma-achieve lang, pero yung ganun lang yung feeling niya.
Feeling mo, pag hindi mo ginawa, regret mo na.
Oo, exactly, ganun. Oo, mariregret mo siya. Oo. Pero parang ganyan, gato. Parang gusto ko lang tapusin lahat yung lahat ng collection ko. Tapos parang gusto ko na ulit bumalik sa ganitong lifestyle ko ulit. I mean, I mean, like, not lifestyle, pero passion mo na, ito yun eh, ito talaga ako. Parang ito talaga yung gusto ko. Ito talaga yung purpose ko. Na parang mag-hone ng mga students, ng mga dancers.
Sabi nga ni Tom Cruise, it's not what I am. It's who I am.
Yeah, Tom Cruise. So, yun.
Ako muna dahil ubusin mo muna yan. Okay. Ako,
Sorry. Bago tayo mag-start. Bahala kayo sa interpretation. Parang kasi kunyari, kami ni Regan, parang naging iba yung interpretation. Kasi ako, nung inisip ko siya, na with what I know now, meaning, if hindi ako umalis ng Groove Jacks, hindi ko malalaman yun eh. Diba? Pero siya kasi parang, ina-assume niya na yung pagiging content creator niya, kahit mag-stage siya Groove Jacks, matatahak niya pa rin yun eh. Diba? So, kayo bahala. Walang restriction on the interpretation ng question.
ako,
It's fucking delicious. I'm just Kaya na, yung delikado. Okay, go.
baka mamaya, sa ano niyan, yung, hindi ka makapag-spin mamaya.
Grabe din. Grabe pa. Grabe, lalaki ka din.
Ako, I think alis pa din talaga ako. Parang sa nung episode doon nga sinabi ko na maaga talaga yung wake up call ko na, yung calling ko na okay, tapos na yung phase ko ng buhay na yan. Sinabit ko na yung jersey ko, full retirement, ganun. Yung part ng question na kung ano yung alam ko ngayon, I think mas nag-support dun sa yung decision ko na aalis ako. Yung kung alam ko kung yung inom kasi.
Yep, I know. Go.
Yung kung sinusupport yung statement na kung ano yung alam mo ngayon, sinusupport yung decision mo
Naalis
early
pa din
on
ako.
na alis ka.
Kasi nung nag-decide ako na, lalo na yung military life, ganun, hindi talaga para sa lahat eh. Hindi talaga para sa lahat. May mga kilala ko na umaalis. Although yun talaga yung naging dream ko, dance, and nung later on yung stage ng dance nasa military. Kasi nakita ko sa mga ibang relatives ko na ano yung benefits nung military. So, wala naman akong ibang na venture na ginagawa. Katulad ko rin hindi ko na madaming na venture na iba-ibang endeavor sa buhay. Ako as in after nung dance talagang straight military. Nakita ko na ang goal ko talaga is to retire early. Diba, sasabi ko nga parang 10 years. Okay, after nung pag-quit ko ng dance, andito na ako doon sa 10-year plan ko na yun eh. Ito na yung 10-year plan eh. So, ano yung next 10 ko? Is to retire early nga kasi parang natapos na yung gusto ko, plano ko sa sarili ko ngayon. Nandito na ako sa stage na parang, anong gagawin ko para kay Ayo, yung anak ko, sa mga anak ko na. Ano yung, pinaplan ko na yung gusto ko para sa kanila or paano ko sila i-guide sa mga gusto nila. So, hindi ko siya pwede din, doable naman kung tutuloy ko pa din yung work, pero sarap talaga eh.
Hindi, yung camera na
Kaya nga eh. Dito na lang ha, inuubos mo na eh.
Malapit na.
Yun, doable naman kung mag-work pa din ako, pero may phase sa military life na parang, napagod na ako parang. Ngayon, retiring at 20 years, may pension na yun. Kaya ko nang bitawan yung work life, ayoko na. Ano yung gusto nitong mga to? So, nandun ako nasa side nila. Dun sa i-venture naman nila sa buhay nila. Like what I said, sa karting, gano'n, sa motorsports, si Hachi Tala sa dance. So, knowing yung plano ko na yun, easy, no-brainer na. Yung sweldo ko ngayon, tapos alis ako ng maging decision ka pa din is to live that lifestyle.
Yeah, true.
8 years ka na ba doon?
10 years.
Tagal na, no?
2014.
And
10 years na lang. Sorry, 10 years.
mag-11.
So, 20 years daw ang target mo?
But
So,
shit,
9 years.
congratulations, man. Holy
So,
snap.
ang full retirement ko is 52.
Damn.
Tapos, tambay-tambay na lang.
Magpa-Farmville ako. Bili ako ng mga manok. Gano'n.
May ginagawa ka pa. Hopefully, pag 52 na nila.
Ganito yung usual dialogue eh. Nom?
Kung na-save lang natin yung mga text natin, no? Oh my gosh.
Parang mas masaya, no? Kung kunyari, no? Pareho tayo nasa isang country na, no?
Dito pa din ako, may
So, yun yung target mo?
plan A, plan B. Plan A, dito pa din.
Yeah. Sure.
Plan B, somewhere sa...
Mars.
Hindi ko na...
Impossible, though.
Ay, possible? Jupiter.
Pero kung dito man ako sa Philippines, hindi city, warit.
Province out.
Tanay.
Beachside.
Sulu.
Bundok to eh. Mas bundok.
di.
Bundok to, tas bisita lang siyang beach. Yun lang.
Pwede, Iba rin eh. Ikaw ba magta-Taiwan ka ba? Mag-ano ka?
I would like, first, I would like to,
Kasi doon ka talaga eh.
I would like to be a citizen of Taiwan. Yun
Yun naman yung first mong yung
Every time.
pagkakaalam mo sa
I've
buhay
always
mo eh.
told you guys that. I would like to claim my citizenship as a Taiwanese and become eventually a dual citizen. Because that would benefit my family, my kids, the future. Because Taiwan passport is strong. Yeah. Anyways, okay. What about me?
No. We don't care. Just... Okay, go.
Cheers.
Prince, we have a time limit, okay? We have a time limit.
Sorry.
Time limit.
Oo nga, nagulat nga ako wala na yung puti na to eh.
10 minutes max.
Okay, got it.
All of us, 22 minutes.
Oh my gosh, naubos natin yung whiskey. Kala ko hindi. Nag-iisip ako na maliit. Anyway, sorry. Oh my gosh.
Game.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Will I still stay in Groove Jacks, regardless if I had all the knowledge and all the financial needs that I have? Yes, I would.
Ooh,
Yes,
the
I
first
would.
yes.
Yeah. But it's not because I want to leave the brotherhood. It's not because I want
Wait, sorry. You are going to leave Groove Jacks?
Yes.
Okay.
To leave Groove Jack, but not just because I want to break ties from you guys. It's because there's far more than just Groove Jacks. Grabe. As in, okay, now that in episode 1 we said where we came from and who we are right now as parents, as husbands, as men, then that means with all the resources that we could gather to bring dancers or all walks of life into a successful or meaningful life, that's going to be something more fruitful for me. So let's say, okay, in Zumba, I've learned about talent agencies. That's what we wanted to do as Groove Jacks before.
Oo nga. Oo nga, no?
That was a dream.
That was a dream. It was a dream before we got into Party Pilipinas. That was something that we wanted to establish.
Oo nga.
Groove Jacks as a talent agency, and that's what I've learned in Zumba. And if I had that knowledge, I could have shared to Reagan, Nico, Jong, as you guys as an entity, not as Groove Jacks members. That way, us businessmen, we could really help people expose themselves in other countries. I've traveled to different countries and I've discovered, like, holy snap. I know, right? If our vision is to do that, and we created a production agency, then that means our knowledge is far more than what we had before. That. But as individuals, you know? Title is always going to be title. For me, title is always going to be title. Us men, we're meant to find ourselves. When we find ourselves, then we can get together and help each other to bring a better future for the next generation, you know? What else? And I know as Prince, I put my family first. So therefore, I would leave a certain pact, but still keep the value of what I learned from the pact, you know?
Like, adding to that, I think that's true. Because meron tayong sariling bonds with other people. Diba? We're still in contact with All Stars. We have a group chat with All Stars. But what you just said now, we still have this special bond.
A special bond.
Diba? Parang we would have Zoom calls na si Prince nasa aeroplano.
Yeah, oh my God. Yeah, patay ko pa lang.
I think that's an important insight. Na parang what we built with Groove Jacks was something special that we will bring forever.
Yeah.
Na, I mean, this won't happen if wala yun eh. Would we even think of creating a podcast kung wala yun? Diba?
Yeah.
So yeah, ganda yung insight na yun. Kasi, I mean, especially like, that coming from you,
Sobrang
who
busy.
left earlier than any of us. Diba? Na never nawala yung bond. And I think yun yung special, I think, sa Groove Jacks. Kasi coming into that group, we all said na
May
understanding tayo na we respect yung current situations ng individuals nung time na yun, di ba? Parang meron tayong understanding na yung individual natin is over the group. We're done with sacrificing dahil lang para sa lahat.
Yeah.
Baliktad tayo. Yung grupo will empathize with the individual.
Exactly.
And I think that's what's stuck na kahit wala na. Diba? I mean, pwede akong mag-harbor ng kay Prince. Niwan tayo niyan eh. Diba? Pero wala eh. Parang meron tayong special bond na forever talaga.
Alam ko kung ba't niya ginawa yun. Parang may gano'n. Parang alam ko bakit. Nagigets kita.
Walang hard feelings.
No hard feelings.
Walang pilitan na, Prince, this is something special.
Exactly.
Oo, layo na mararating natin kung nandito.
Man.
Mabubutas tayo pag wala ka. Walang
Pipilay.
ganun. Diba? So, yun, sabi ko, diba, parang, nung ako yung naiwan, parang, shit talaga. Pero wala eh. Parang gets ko eh. Kasi, lalo na yun, diba? Parang, kakasal din ako. So, parang gets ko eh. Parang may seasons yung buhay. And I think based sa lahat ng answers nyo, I think it was inevitable. Kahit gaano tayo ka-successful nung time na yun. Kahit gaano ka, kung makuha natin lahat ng gig, big corporate gigs, TV deals, I think it was inevitable because of our individual values and beliefs in life. It was inevitable na it will end.
For sure. Yeah. Like, if I were to, let's say, if I look at it 5 years from now, I wouldn't be surprised if we created like a production house, a talent agency. Because if that's what we envisioned before,
It's still there.
it's still there.
It's still there.
It's still there. You know? And you learn a lot of things. He learned a lot of things. You learn a lot of things. Let's put all those juices, creative juices together. It'll be a different paano ba? A different situation than how we thought of it.
Parang immature dati.
Immature, yeah. But these are ambitious. Our ambitions, which is there's nothing wrong with having ambitions.
Baka yun nga yung reason ba tayo nag-farm out eh.
Exactly. You know what I mean? Like, life works funny in a very funny way, but at the end of the day, we still come in full circle. You know, it still comes back in one whole round. So, I don't doubt that. I will not say that leaving the group is a bad thing. I would say it's part of it. It's part of it.
So, mga nakikinig dyan,
It's part of it.
it's not a bad thing. And I think yun nga, parang if someone from your group aalis,
Let them grow.
parang it's dangerous na magkaroon ng ill feelings towards that decision. I think the respect for the individual's decision is important.
Exactly.
And again, growth. Yeah.
Oh, because at the end of the day, it's really yourself that you want to learn what you could do in life, what you're going to achieve in life, what you're going to fail. Remember, failure does not mean it's the end of your life. Failure means a learning lesson. Right? You can't go up if you don't fail. You know what I mean? I've failed a lot of times and I learned from it. And this is where I am right now.
And I think parang if parang you're the group,
Yeah.
tapos may aalis, kaya Prince, umalis, diba? Pinilit kita magstay. Parang pwedeng forever hold na yun against me. Could have done so much more if hindi mo ako pinigilan umalis. Diba? So parang if they feel let them go. Yes, exactly. If they want to come back, I think that's your prerogative kung tatanggapin mo. Kasi I think hindi mo rin pwede fault yung group if sabihin nilang, hindi, umalis ka eh. You have to respect that.
Yeah.
If tatanggapin nyo, good. Happy ending. Pero if hindi, okay lang din.
Exactly.
Diba? Kasi it was his decision to leave. You build something while he was gone, okay lang. So, feeling.
It's the same thing, like, let's say, after Groove Jack, there was the project. I said the same thing to the project. If there's something that I cannot offer to you guys, then you can go. I am not going to force you to stay and say, no, this is where life is. No, there's so much more that you can live, that you can learn, instead of just staying in one group. Yeah, man.
Woo! Dami yun, Prince, ah. Dami
Oh,
nun.
that's 20 minutes.
Ano pa ganun?
Yeah, man.
Pero may mga guilt din ako na ganyan. Alam mo, like, kunyari mga umaalis, na parang feeling ko ayaw ko silang paalisin. May mga times na parang,
May tampo. May
tampo ka na parang, huwag ka
factor.
alis. Parang, please stay. Parang gano'n. Pero, after nun na parang nasabi ko sa kanila yun, or naisip ko yun, parang after nun na ma-realize mo, oo nga, parang, alam mo yun, parang let them go. Especially with parang kunyari may mga tao or nababasa ka na parang about, life na you have to let them go. Parang, totoo eh. Parang, it's, yun nga, that's the reality, and then again, that's,
I think yung mga ganung feeling, ego natin yun eh.
yeah.
Diba? Na parang feeling natin, tayo nagturo, sa akin kang pinaka matututo. Yung gano'n, ako yung nagbigay sa inyan, ba't mo iiwan?
Yeah.
Pero parang ang selfish nung thought na.
Ang dami kong alam na ganyan.
Diba?
Ang
Parang,
dami.
kasi sa akin kasi parang, pinagdaanan ko yun eh. So parang feeling ko it's selfish in a way na parang feeling mo ikaw yung pinakamagaling na tao sa mundo if iniisip mo yun eh.
Yeah.
And dumaan tayo doon. Diba? Parang,
Sa akin kasi, minsan kaya naisip ko yun dahil loyal ako doon sa mga taong nagturo sa akin. Parang sobrang ano ko sa, dahil nga yung attachment, lalo na yung attachments pagdating sa sayaw. So parang yung mga teacher ko before, parang sobrang, ano ko sila eh, sobrang taas ng tingin ko and parang attachment na parang sila talaga nagturo sa akin to. So parang sobrang respect ko and then na-apply ko sila sa ibang students ko na parang ako yung nagturo sa'yo ng ganito, ako yung ano. So parang, pero at the end, parang, oh yeah, okay.
Alam mo, isang Filipino mentality, yung utang na loob.
Oo, yun nga feeling ko eh. I think that's the reason why.
Ako nagturo sa inyo.
Doon tayo nag-grow eh. I mean, doon tayo lumaki.
pero yun nga, feeling ko it's a wrong interpretation of utang na loob. Kasi hindi naman masama yung utang na loob eh.
Yes.
Pero yung iba feeling ko in-interpret yung utang na loob na ako nagturo sa'yo, forever kailangan sa akin.
Sa akin ka lang.
Hindi na yun yung utang na loob yun.
Iba yun, oh.
Diba?
Iba yun. That's different.
Kasi pwede naman siya umalis pero forever siyang grateful sa... Di ba parang kunyari, Michael Jordan. Diba talaga sinasabi, hanggang ngayon parang even in retirement, biggest niya, Dean Smith, UNC, di ba? Yun yung utang na loob, di ba? Na parang i-recognize niya hanggang ngayon. Pero ang ano ba niya is, hindi naman si Dean Smith nagpa-champion sa kanya sa NBA. Di ba? So yung gano'n eh, parang nililimit natin yung ano eh. Yeah. Wow! Interesting conversation.
Lalim nun. Pero yun, ang ano ko parang, I think lahat tayo nag-decide na mag-alis pa din tayo.
Yeah. I mean, feeling ko, if kumikita tayo nun, baka hindi 2013, but eventually, it will happen.
It will happen.
Even without any conflict.
Exactly.
Di ba? Kahit walang issue, it will happen.
It's like all of us needed to level up individually to be able to bring together to a higher level. You know what I mean? Like,
It's not only level up pero yung purpose mo na nakikita mo yung vision mo and then yung at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin sarili mo eh. Parang it's all about yourself eh. So parang kahit na gusto mong tumulong sa ibang tao pero kung di ka naman, I mean,
Feeling mo di ka nag-grow.
oo, ikaw pa rin dapat kailangan mo isipin pa rin sarili mo. I mean, not being selfish pero parang kailangan mong isipin yung sarili mo bago mo i-share sa ibang tao, di ba?
it's okay to be selfish.
Yeah, di ba?
It's okay.
I mean,
yeah, it's okay to be selfish.
Alright, I think that's a very jam-packed episode.
yes.
And serious kami dito engagement tactic. If you've encountered the same situation sa groups nyo, na parang may tampuhan, pag may malis, share nyo yung thoughts nyo ngayon na, especially for those na parang matagal na nangyari. But share nyo yung thoughts, ano yung realizations nyo after all these years. Or if you're going through that thing right now, share nyo ano yung na-realize nyo by listening to our stories. Kung nagdi-disagree kayo, go. Parang, this is a safe space. Kasi eventually, dito sa podcast na to, I'm sure magdi-disagree kami sa mga usapan.
Oh, yeah, bet.
But everything will be respected.
Exactly.
So again, if meron kayong gustong pag-usapan namin, meron kayong comments, sharing, feel free to put it in the comment section. Anonymous questions. And also, follow our individual accounts. Lalagyan na namin lahat. Iba-iba yan.
Yep.
Collectibles, gear, dancing, family, whatever. It's all there. And we will see you in another episode of The Group
Dads. Cheers, everybody. Pangilan na to.
Ewan ko sa'yo.